Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Locate the folder that held your media and open the PR Proj in Premiere. Once open, scan the project panel for red media offline clips and check the path and relational path columns so you know where Premiere expects files. Next, relink helper files like XMP or SRT since missing sidecars can block matching. Make sure external drives are mounted and named exactly as before. Rename or remount them now to avoid extra steps later. You should select every offline clip and choose Relink Media to begin the batch process. Premiere firstly tries file name matching, which is fast. Once it pairs matches, confirm the sample matches visually. If names changed, use locate and point to the parent folder, enable include subfolders, and use the search filter for extensions like MOV or MP4. Make sure Start at is set to the top-level drive so Premiere can recursively search. Finally, relink proxies or high-res files by toggling toggle. Once relinked, scrub each clip in the source monitor and timeline to confirm correct frame ranges, audio alignment, and timecode integrity. Make sure proxies point to correct originals. Then consolidate using Project Manager or save as to lock new paths into a copy. If something fails, stop, clear media cache, restart Premiere, and try relinking by timecode or real name. If a file truly is missing, recreate a placeholder clip with the same duration or restore from backup. This prevents timeline breaks while you recover original media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.